It's so cool. Beautiful. Hi everyone. Now that the summer is approaching, I brought you this air cooler, little air cooler. Okay, it's a mini size. This is it. It's from the Bingui brand. It comes with this little device here, and I'm going to show you how to do the little functions around it. It comes with a USB-C cable. It comes with two ice containers. Okay, so if you open the top container here, those are the two cotton swabs. You fill here with water because it sprays out water. All right, I'm going to fill some water here. So we alternate. Once this is completely like melted, we can replace it with another one. So the one stays in the freezer, and then we close this here. From the side, it has, you can open this little door, and it has a sponge in here to absorb like extra water. So let's close it like that. These two buttons from the side, this is the K2 and this is the K1. If we press on K1 one time, okay, K1 one time, and then press again, it has a second gear, and then press again, it has a third gear. Okay, now this is the K2. I'm going to press on K1. K1 will start spraying some water, and it's gonna start like shaking and turning. Let's do, it is like spraying water. I don't know if you see that. If you press for 1.6 seconds, it will turn on the warm light. You see it? It's shaking to provide extra cool. So if you press it again, it just switches off. I don't know if you can see, but there is spraying. It's like a mist. The cool thing about it, it's wireless. Like, you don't need to connect it to any cable for it to work. It's also wireless. It just charges. Awesome, right? So you can take it camping, you can take it anywhere you want. Hope you like it and stay cool.